Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll learn how to install Maven in your project, in your system. So for that we have to check whether Java is already installed or not. So for that we have to go to the command prompt and type Java hyphen, not underscore, it's hyphen Java space hyphen 7. Here you can show it's already installed. Newer versions are available, you can install that too. Now our turn is how to install Maven in our system. So for that we have to go to the Maven Apache this org site, and here we have to download this application, this software binary zip. This has to be downloaded. So here I have downloaded in my system, and in download folder there is Maven here. So you have to extract it, unzip it, extract files, unzip here, and this is the software we need to install. So for this we have to copy paste into our program file, so which is present in our C drive. Here we need to copy paste. So this is the folder I have copy paste from my download. So guys, please do remember that you need to copy paste into your program files. After that, if you will paste it in D drive, it will not work, because we need to copy paste under program files. So this is the important point you need to remember. After that you can go to the Apache Maven. Under that, here is the URL. This link you have to remember, copy paste. Okay, then we'll go to our environment. To set environment variables, you need to go to the environment variables, edit system environment, which is present in control panel. Here environment variables is there, and here you need to create the Maven's variables. First two variables we need to create. First m2 underscore home, one variable name and variable value I have already created. So that URL you need to paste here, variable value. This is the first variable we need to create under user variables, under this. And second variable is Maven underscore home. We need to create two variables. One is m2 underscore home, second one is Maven underscore home, and the path will be the same. Okay, path that we have paste this path. Okay, so this is the path, same path. Now the second thing is, and the foremost important thing is, you have to create it. If you didn't create your Java variables, you need to create this Java underscore home, and you have to set your JDK, that is also present in your C drive. Guys, please remember, you have to need to create three variables. One is for Java JDK, and the two other variables are for Java Maven variables. One is for this Apache, and the second location is for Java. Here is my Java, here is my JDK. So this is the link you have to give under your Java underscore home path. Okay, three variables after created, you have to set your path variables which is present in system variables. Under system variables, under you have to go to path. Guys, here you have to remember that you have to select the path, after that edit. If you will not select the path and just simply edit, it will throw errors. It will not set the variable path. It will not clearly set. If you put here, it will not take the Maven installation will not be correct. So guys, remember, here you have to select this path, after that edit, and here you have to give again two variables. If you didn't set for the JDK, you have to set here first JDK variable, JDK URL, and then the Apache Maven. And for this you have to go to that folder. This is the URL. You have to come inside bin folder. So this is the path you need to give here under system environment, system variables, under path. You have to, this is the important thing you have to remember, you have to give up to bin here. Then okay, you are all done. Your Maven is already attached in your Java project. So how will check whether is your Maven installed or not? For that you need to type mbn hyphen again version. It's the lowercase letter. Here you go. This is the Apache Maven installed on your system. Okay, Maven home is the directory name. This is the path. You have to fix that path. You have to give the correct path, or else it will not take. Remember this one. You have to remember the path. Okay, hopefully you like this video. If you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.